Alright, Mary's taking the face off. It's Little Rock Chaos against Memphis. I'm not sure what their team name is actually. Oh, so you just missed that.
We're going to 12:30?
Yeah, 12:30. That was Mary battling the puck. Go for it! There she is, number 7, Mary Leonard. Alright, chase it down! There she goes, racing down the ice. Come on, you guys, come get it. Go, Mikey, go, Mikey. Get it out of there. There's number 7, Mary Leonard. Oh. Ah, too many men.